Brooklyn, New York, and this is Express Yourself. Made in Brooklyn, bought from Campbell television. I'm an independent artist, producer, and I wanted to produce this show today. I will be featuring one of my songs. It's the Brooklyn Blues. And we got BC guitarist, All-Star. All right. Unrehearsed. Oh, if you're wondering where you can get this shirt, this is our Made in Brooklyn t-shirt. Barbara Campbell NYC. This is how you can support me. You can shop my shirts at barbaracampbellnYC.com. All right, let's go from the top. I wrote this song today. I'm working on a new song for the blue lovers. We're going through a real tough time, everybody. The Brooklyn Blues. Yeah, I'm plugged in. From the top. Today I wrote a song. Working on a new song for the blue lovers. We're going through a real tough time. The Brooklyn Blues. We did this song earlier this year, and we're going to redo it again. It's going to be a little bit unplugged. I was walking on the back side of Brooklyn, Utica, East New York. Boys on the corner smoking, rolling up a joint. Nowhere to go but to get high. Release the prisoners, it's legal now. I set them free, I let them set up shop. But keep your synthetic smoke away from me. This song is to bring awareness at the same time for the environment, health, especially women's health, and also social justice. Boys on the corner smoking, rolling up a joint. Nowhere to go but to get high. Release the prisoners, it's legal now. Set them free, let them set them sharp. Keep your synthetic smoke away from me. Hey everybody, this is the Brooklyn Blues. I got it, you got it, we got it, the Brooklyn Blues.
I got it, you
got it, we got it, Brooklyn Blues.
You got it,
I got it, I got it, Brooklyn Blues.
you got it,
We got it, we got it, Brooklyn Blues. Brooklyn Blues. Brooklyn Blues, baby. I got it, you got it, we got it. All right, everybody. Thank you for tuning in to BC Original Rehearsal Soul Performance. Our guest, our star.